it's me again, sorry. But I found a GT500KR and we are gonna go check it out. We're hopping in the Bronco now. Now I already know the location. I spoke with the owner. They were fine with me filming it. The only request is they wanted to remain anonymous, so we're gonna respect those wishes. So you won't know if he is a woman or she is a man. It's 2024. You don't know anything. Well, you can guess until you're blue in the face. But if you'll give me a second, I'm gonna put some blue in this camera. Let's go. Had to hit the very last stoplight, of course. Boom. Here it is, the 1968 Shelby GT500KR. If you know what KR stands for, put it in the comments. If you don't, I'll let you know at the end of the video. The GT500KR was only produced for 1 year, and much like the original Mustang, this was a mid-year production as well, meaning this car was only produced for one half of one model year. There were 1,571 made, 517 of which being convertibles, leaving right about 1,000 dressed as the fastback you are seeing today. It is equipped with a 428 cubic inch COBRA jet engine that Ford claimed produced only 335 horse. Ford was throwing y'all a bone back in '68 because, well, insurance. If I had to guess, this baby was cranking at least 4 to 425 out of the factory back in '68, and it is doing the same today. Now, the car has been maintained, not restored. That is right, folks. You are looking at an original, numbers-matching example. Original paint, original interior. Now, the engine was overhauled back in '03, and when the block was pulled, they repainted the bay. Other than that, this car is the way it is when it left the factory. Isn't that amazing, this interior and the condition for being 56 years old? Wow. This car started its civilian life off the lots of Noller Ford in Topeka, Kansas. It's remained in the greater Kansas City area the entirety of its life, most recently moving on to its fifth owner in 2010. This really is a piece of Kansas City pride that few know about, and what I love most about it is it still gets driven. It has 98,000 original miles and attends cruises, meets, and car shows in the greater Kansas City area. If If you knew what KR stood for and you put it in the comments, good job. If you knew what KR stood for and you didn't put it in the comments, whoa, bad job. Why'd you do that? If you didn't know what KR stood for, it stands for King of the Road, you big dumb idiot, because that's what this car is. King of the Road, baby. You know, before I started this video, I too was a big dumb idiot. And I already know what you're thinking. What? No way that guy was a big dumb idiot like me. Indeed, I was. But then I learned. See, it's not that I know everything about these cars. I'm not even telling you I know more about these cars than you do. It's just that I love muscle cars, and so far I've enjoyed making these videos. So subscribe to the channel. We'll learn together. Bye.